The possibilities for revolutionizing brain-computer interfaces with the use of LogicProgs are virtually limitless. With the advent of this new technology, we are able to bridge the gap between neuroscience and computing, allowing us to gain a better understanding of the brain and how it works. LogicProgs are a new type of software that allows users to interact with their brains in a way that was never before possible. By using neural networks and artificial intelligence, LogicProgs are able to identify patterns and signals in the brain that can be used to control computers or other machines. In the past, brain-computer interfaces, BCIs, have been limited by the difficulty of understanding the signals that the brain produces. This has made it difficult for scientists and doctors to make sense of the data coming from the brain. With the use of LogicProgs, these signals can be interpreted and used to control computers and other devices. This means that BCIs can be used to control prosthetics, augment reality, and even create virtual worlds. LogicProgs are also being used to revolutionize the way we interact with our brains. By using neural networks and artificial intelligence, the software can identify patterns and signals in the brain that can be used to control computers or other machines. This means that LogicProgs can be used to create a more intuitive experience for users when it comes to interacting with their brains. For example, by using LogicProgs, users can control computers with their minds in a much more natural way. LogicProgs are also being used to create more advanced BCIs. By using neural networks and artificial intelligence, the software can recognize patterns in the brain in order to control computers. This means that the user can create more complex interactions with their computers. For example, by using LogicProgs, users can create virtual worlds and interact with them in a much more natural way. In addition, LogicProgs can be used to create more accurate diagnostics for medical professionals. By using neural networks and artificial intelligence, LogicProgs can analyze the data from the brain and create more precise diagnoses for medical conditions. This can be used to provide more accurate and timely treatments for patients. Finally, LogicProgs are being used to create new therapies for neurological disorders. By using neural networks and artificial intelligence, the software can identify patterns in the brain that could be used to create new therapies for neurological disorders. This means that LogicProgs can help scientists and doctors to understand the brain better and create new treatments for neurological disorders. LogicProgs are revolutionizing the way we interact with our brains. By using neural networks and artificial intelligence, this new technology is allowing us to gain a better understanding of the brain and how it works. Through the use of LogicProgs, we are able to create more intuitive experiences for users when it comes to interacting with their brains, create more accurate diagnostics and treatments for medical conditions, and create new therapies for neurological disorders. With the use of LogicProgs, the possibilities for revolutionizing brain-computer interfaces are virtually endless.